So, ayan na guys. Ito na yung green beans natin guys. Nunod na natin yung na-harvest natin na green beans. Ayan. Pwede na yan half cook guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Sunod na natin ang ating gulay. So, ayan na guys. Ito na yung green beans natin guys. Hinalo na natin sa ating pork. So, ayan guys. Ayan. Ito na yung green beans natin guys. So, thank you for watching guys. Let's eat na guys. Ayan. Yan guys. So let's eat guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.